Welcome friends. Today we will discuss about the basic aspect of the puberty. Objective of today's lecture: introduction, some mechanism related to hormone and factor affecting puberty, secondary sexual characteristic in boys and girls, and last, anomalies of gonadal functions. Introduction. Basically, puberty is a time period during which gonads acquire their capacity to reproduce with an associated increase in some endocrine and gametogenic function. For the boy, age is between 9 to 14 year. For the girl is slightly earlier, 1 to 1.5 year, that is 8 to 13 year. So basically it is a transition from the childhood to adult sexual maturation. It's a process of physical, biological, and psychological development through which sexual reproduction become possible. Beginning of the puberty is subtle and can't be dated precisely, though we can say, for example, in female, the end point of this puberty is menarche, means onset of menstruation, right? So over the last century, age of menarche has progressively lowered, evident in the developed world like western side and in Japan. Same in case of male, but little difficult to mark. Next, the mechanism. So we are knowing that before puberty there is a inhibition of GnRH because of slightly secretion of the estrogen in female and testosterone from the male testes, right? And somewhat they are inhibiting the GnRH, though the exact cause is not known, but these are the possibilities. But with the beginning of this puberty, this inhibition is gone and it increases GnRH and its act on the anterior pituitary to release the follicular stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, which act on the different gonads. Now the factor affecting this puberty. So first one is the genetic cause. Second, race. African American girls that enter the puberty almost 1 to 1.5 year earlier than white American girl. So this is related with the puberty, race. Next is the nutritional factor. So puberty is delayed in the malnourished girl having a weight less than 45 kg. But puberty is earlier in the moderately obese girl as the fat cell release leptin which stimulate GnRH hormone, and obviously general health status. Next is the altitude. It is delayed puberty in Eskimo girl than living at trophic. So high altitude definitely delayed puberty. Next is the psychological state, education, social media, right, television, movie. So everything affect the age of the puberty. Next is the exposure to light. It is said that blind people enter the puberty earlier than sighted individual. Next is the environmental and cultural background, very important. Say for example, girl living in the urban area with good nutrition, health status is good, with adequate weight, whose mother, sister have early menarche, starts puberty earlier. So these are the different factors which affect the puberty. Now some pubertal changes in the boys. Secondary sexual characteristic. There is a growth of external and internal genitalia, growth of penis, scrotum, testes, prostate, seminal vesicle, bulbourethral gland. There will be a muscular development because of testosterone hormone, increase in the skin thickness, increase in the sebaceous secretion, which result in the acne. Because of the androgen hormone, there will be hair on the face, beard, mustache, hair on the axilla, pubic region, chest, back. There will be a hoarseness of voice due to hypertrophy of laryngeal mucosa, some behavioral changes, that is aggressive behavior in boy. So these are in short some secondary sexual characteristic in the boy. Now this pubertal changes in the girl. Basically Turner and the Marshall describe mainly 5 stages. First one is the growth spurt and weight gain. There is a deposition of fat in the buttock, thigh and breast. Fat deposition is helpful during the parturition, during the pregnancy, right? Next there is a thelarchy, development of the mammary gland, breast. Then pubarchy followed by axillary hair. Means pubic, there is a hair, there will be hair in the pubic region. Then after some time there will be a axillary hair, and this is known as adrenarche. Then peak growth in the height in the female, which is mainly because of the growth hormone and insulin like growth factor 1, IGF-1. So it is seen that boy or girl around 8 to 9 years, almost same height, but once the puberty start, there will be a peak growth in the height in the girl. Next is the development of the ovaries and genital organs, particularly the increase in the size of mons pubis and labia minora. Vulval skin become keratinized and resistance to the infection. Vaginal mucosa become acidic, which continue throughout the reproductive period. So acidic medium to protect against the infection. Uterus, there will be a growth of the uterus. Before puberty, you can say cervix, a uterus to cervix ratio is 1 as well as 1. But once the puberty starts, uterus start enlarging. So uterus to cervix ratio will be 2 as well as 1 and sometimes 3 as well as 1. And lastly, the ovaries start developing primordial follicle into graphene follicle. And there will be onset of menstruation, that is menarche. Means first menstruation in woman's life is known as menarche. Interesting point about this menarche: initial menstrual cycle generally anovulatory for about 12 to 18 months. So almost up to 2 years the cycles are anovulatory, no ovulation after the onset, after menarche. And lastly, sexual maturation correlate more with the bone age or skeletal maturation than the chronological age. And lastly, behavior changes. So psi nature. So these are all the secondary sexual characteristic in the girl. Now the applied aspect, the anomalies of the gonadal function. So either delayed puberty or precocious puberty. In delayed puberty, when no sex is diagnosed, when there is no secondary sexual characteristic till 14 year, or you can say no menarche till 16 year, then we can say it is a delayed puberty. We are not going in the detail of the etiology of the delayed puberty, but yes, definitely there are some unknown cause or idiopathic, some familial, genetic cause are there. Next is the precocious puberty. That means the appearance of any secondary sexual characteristic before the age of 8 year, or you can say menarche before of 10 year. Appearance of the SSC before 7 or 8 year and menarche before 10 year, we can consider it as a precocious puberty. The cause are almost similar: idiopathic, familiar, genetic, sometimes adrenogenital tumor. So there will be a precocious puberty. So in short, this is the basic idea of the puberty. That's from today's lecture. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.